Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up volume profile on Thinkorswim. First, open any chart on your Thinkorswim platform. Make sure you are using a candlestick or bar chart for optimal viewing. Next, find the Studies button, usually located near the top right corner of your chart interface. This button is your gateway to adding various analytical tools and indicators to enhance your trading view. We'll click on it to begin our setup process. Once you click the Studies button, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Add Study. A new window will pop up, allowing you to search for specific indicators. In the search bar, type Volume Profile. You will see Volume Profile appear in the results. Select it, then click the Add Selected button to move it to your active studies list. This action integrates the Volume Profile tool directly onto your chart. After adding the study, you'll want to customize its settings for better analysis. Click the small gear icon next to Volume Profile in your active studies list. Here, you can adjust key parameters such as time per profile and number of rows. For daily analysis, setting time per profile to day is often very useful. A number of rows around 25 typically provides a good balance between detail and readability. Experiment to find what works best for your trading style. Now that your volume profile is set up, let's discuss interpretation. High volume areas, often appearing as wider bars, indicate strong support or resistance levels where significant trading activity occurred. Conversely, low volume areas suggest price rejection or quick movement through that level. The point of control, or POC, is the single price level with the highest traded volume. The value area, or VA, encompasses approximately 70% of the total volume, showing where most trading took place. These insights are invaluable for identifying key market levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.